Welcome to EE Automation. Are you looking for a reliable Autogate company? Maybe you need an immediate Autogate repair, or perhaps you're considering a new Autogate installation. If you answer yes to any of these, then you have come to the right place. EE Automation has been installing and repairing Autogate systems in Malaysia since 1996. We specialize in providing Autogate repair, sales, and installation services for both residential and factory. Our team can fix Autogate arm, Autogate motor, rollers, bearings, track, remote control, and more. At EE Automation, we are proud to offer high-quality Autogate products that come directly from reputable factories to ensure their authenticity and quality. Rest assured, we only use 100% genuine and brand new spare parts. All our spare parts are readily available. Call us today at 0124058791 or visit www.eeautogate.com.my for your Autogate needs.